Welcome to today's video where we're going to be looking at how to change Excel sheets into PDF files. We're going to be showing you 3 different ways on how we can do this today. Starting out then, we can see that we're going to use this invoice here. It's just a blank template that we've managed to get off of the online. So what we're going to be looking at first is coming up to File up at the top here, and we're going to be coming down to the print to start with. Within the print then, you can see that you have different options. Now you might have a printer selected at this point for whatever reason, or if you're normally printing, but we can just select that we want to send this to PDF. We want to make sure that we have the active sheets. Now with this, I only want to have the active sheets as I only have one sheet that I'm working on currently, rather than an entire workbook or a particular selection. So I'm just going to click the active sheets. And at this point then, if I were to click print, then we can see that this comes as a save print as output. We can look down here and see that the save as type is a PDF, and we can just change that. Like so. And that saves that to PDF for us. A faster alternative is, rather than going up to the kind of clicking up here and clicking down to print, is if you were to just on the screen press Ctrl and P. You can see that it's just a hotkey that brings up the same thing there for you. The next one that we're going to look at then is the Save As way. So we're going to go up to the top here, click on File. We're going to click Save As, Browse, and then we can see where the file, or we can select the file where we would like to save it. But what we're going to do here is we're going to click on the Save As type, and we're going to drop down there. We're going to select the PDF file, and we can rename it as we need to do, and save that. What that does is that saves that to that file as the PDF, and as you can see here, all looks nice and clean. So the third way that we're going to show you is the export method. So with this, you can see on the original, or on the first screen, we have the whole calendar across all the different months, and then on each of the following months or sheets, we have the following months. We can click up to the file up here, and we can go down to export, and we can see we have the create PDF/XPS document. We're going to click into that. So when you come into this, it looks very similar to the Save As kind of method for this, where we can rename the calendar, and we want to make sure that we have the PDF selected. But with this one, we want to go into the options part. Once you're into the options part, we can click the entire workbook, because we have multiple sheets along the bottom there that we want to be working with, and we want to click OK, and then we're going to click Publish. Now this will take a little bit longer, as obviously there's multiple sheets all pushing themselves together, but once that's saved there, you can see that for each of the months we have the calendar saved as a PDF. Hopefully that helps there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give that a like and a subscribe if you want to see further content, and we hope to see you soon.